So I want to show you what I got in the mail today. It's an Instant Hot by InSinkErator. What's an Instant Hot? Basically, it makes instant hot water on demand. It has a tank that you see here that holds 2/3 of a gallon of hot water. It makes it constantly hot. And this is the dispenser. I just want to show you what it looks like real quickly before I install it myself. Instructions are pretty easy to understand. Everything's in the package here, just like this here. I just want to show you basically what it looks like, the actual faucet part itself. The tanks are all pretty much the same. It's the different tops that you use. This is the top here. This is the little instructions. This is the connectors you need to screw it into your sink, into your countertop. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is brushed nickel, as you can see here. So how this works is that once you install it, you have to hook up these pipes to the actual all these plastic pipes here go to the tank, and then this copper line goes to the water feed. And that's how easy it is to install. Here is the mounting screw in the back, and then you just put it into the countertop and screw it down. What's cool about it is that it has the turning. When you turn on the hot water, it goes to the back, and that's spring loaded. You can see how that works. I'm going to put that in my counter. I just want to show it to you, see what it looks like, so you can get a look, see what it looks like live. A lot of times you can't see what they look like, and this is what it looks like front and the back. And once you put it in, and that's how you turn the water on and off, just like that. Definitely highly recommend this. I've been using Instant Hots for years, and just love the quality, and thanks for watching.